guys, welcome back.
If you're new to this channel, I'm Alana
And I'm Gemma.
and we're sisters. In today's video we're going to show you two types of face masks that will help with acne and moisturizing your skin.
The first mask we're going to do is the honey and oatmeal. This mask is going to help with acne and exfoliating the skin. First, add 1.5 of the baking soda. Baking soda helps exfoliate the skin and removes bacteria. Next, I added 3.5 of the oatmeal. Oatmeal is great for all skin types as it works as an anti-inflammatory and smooths the skin. Then, add enough water to create a paste. Last, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey helps with acne, being an antibacterial. It also helps with aging, as it is an antitoxin. Now, just mix away to create a thick-ish paste. If you need to add more oats or water, do so. Mix, mix, mix. As you can see here, that's a bit runny. So I'm going to add some more oats to it so it's a little bit thick so it will stay on the face. And I'm going to mix, mix, mix. Now just spread it all over your face and wait 10 minutes. Then scrape it off into the bin and then wash with lukewarm water. If you're wondering, yes, this video was kind of weird to film and it is a bit awkward. So yeah.
For the honey and cinnamon face mask, first you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon to the mixture. Cinnamon is good for the skin as it dries up pimples and plumps the skin. Now just mix and apply to the skin, waiting for 10 minutes, then wash off with warm water.
We hope you guys enjoyed our video.
If you end up using one of the recipes for a face mask, don't forget to comment down below or DM us on Instagram telling us how it went.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. Bye!
No, I was like kicking you so you would say, it's moisturizing. That will help with acne, and I'll be like, and moisturizing. Wait, just keep it rolling. Don't come in! What? No, you're filming. Sorry. Right, can you stop it and then just press play? Today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make 2 different, I say guys too many times. Yeah. At a time. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys! No, hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's fine, I